Before you begin, remove the stand, I/O ports rear cover, stand hinge, motherboard EMI shield, M.2 SSD module, wireless LAN module, system fan, thermal module, graphics card, CPU, motherboard, and motherboard support bracket. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bars up on the two touchscreen ZIF connectors and disconnect the touchscreen ribbon cables from the touchscreen control board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchscreen control board to the chassis. Lift the touchscreen control board off of the chassis and remove. Replacement. Place the touchscreen control board into position on the chassis. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchscreen control board to the chassis. Insert the two touchscreen ribbon cables into the touchscreen ZIF connectors on the touchscreen control board and press the locking bars down to lock the cables into place.